Welcome back. People for Mopa, a group in support of Mopa Airport project, has decided to revive its Gram SAMITIS in Pernem and all over North Goa. The group claims that Goans for Dabolim are misguiding Goeykaars over Mopa Airport issue. People for Mopa's co-study group will create an awareness on the need of Mopa Airport and expose Goans for Dabolim.
People for Mopa ही जी आमची संघटना आम्ही स्थापन केल्ली ती पेडणे तालुका लेवल आता नॉर्थ डिस्ट्रिक्टचे हेचे जे आमचे गांव उरल्यात थंय आमी आतां वयतले आनी जागृती दितले आनी तो कित्याक जाय पीपल फ्रॉम मोपा ते पटोवन दितले. दाबोळीक विरोध करना पूण आमकां मोपा जाय की प्रत्येक विलेजींतल्यान जे कमिटी आमी काडलेले ते सगळे एक आमी एक महासभा घेवपाची थारायलें.
हेचे आमी अभिनंदन करता मुख्यमंत्र्याचे. पण त्याच वेळाचेर आमी आनीक हे म्हणटा की जो गेलो 2.5 वर्साचो काळ मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी वेस्ट केलो, ही जी त्यांची घोषणा आशिल्ली ती मागे जावंक जाय आशिल्ली. पण तरी सुद्धा आता जे कार्य तांच्यांनी केलां ते बेगीन हो मोपा इंटरनॅशनल विमानतळ जावचो.
गोवन्स फॉर ओन्ली दाबोली हे जे विचार मांडटात त्या विचारान कशें तथ्य ना तांकां कावंटर करपा खातीर आमचो आनी एक अभ्यास ग्रूप तयार जाल्लो आसा आनी तो सगळो अभ्यासाचो एक जो तज्ञ आसतलो ग्रूप आसतलो ते आमी सगळ्या जनतेच्या फुड्यान मांडटले की मोपाची गरज कित्या खातीर उरतली.
National Green Tribunal has issued a notice for stay on construction of Terikol Bridge. The NGT has issued notice to the Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation, Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority and the Ministry of Environment and Forest on the construction of Terikol Bridge. According to the petitioner, Goa Foundation, necessary permissions have not been sought by the state government. National Green Tribunal has issued a notice for stay on construction of Terikol Bridge. Goa Foundation has challenged the CRZ clearance granted by Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority for construction of a major bridge across Terikol River costing 77 crore rupees. As per the foundation, notification issued by GCZMA was in violation of the CRZ notification. Permission as required from the Ministry of Environment and Forest has not been obtained. The GSIDC has however commenced construction of the bridge. Permission has been granted by the GCZMA, although the area falls in CRZ1 zone. The petition also contends that the bridge is being constructed without study of environmental impact and falls in the no development zone of Keri across the estuary of Terikol River, which is eco-sensitive area, and in the absence of an approved coastal zone management plan. No diversion order has been obtained for forested land at Terikol side. Foundation also states that project consultant expressed that the bridge design and project was a part of golf course in the village of Terikol. Hence, the public purpose of bridge construction is in doubt. The NGT has issued notices to the GSIDC, GCZMA and the MOEF on the construction of Terikol Bridge. Reporter Mahesh Khadi for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.